Opa! Time to reread the beautiful tale of Gulliver Travel, Jonathan by Swift. Yes, it's for children, adult, and growing men. You can see the giant and the midget, and the beauty of this book you can see and read for yourself how beautiful it is by incredible 445 illustration that have been made in 1735. Lucky me, I was able to find it in a second-hand bookstore and I bought it. And believe it or not, if we just go and try to show to you everywhere, it's such a beautiful illustration of the story. Not easy to take a video, but you can see every chapter have a beautiful black illustration that used to be like a drawing, but just like there was no photograph or camera those years. So look at this. It starts the chapter in a description. The right of the tale, you see the giant and the different story and the storm. All what is written in this book got illustration, which is an amazing. Yes, it is a work of art by that famous artist, and there was no YouTube, Twitter, or Facebook, and especially TikTok, to create silly stuff. No, there was the kids that love to read and enjoy. Yes, you can see, you can read. Like I say many times before, I'm not a book reviewer. I just share on a life what I like to read. And look at that. Kids love this. Regardless the age and regardless it's black and white. Because it describes the story of whatever written. There is so many illustrations. Each page, it is fascinating. And it helped to understand the story, the reading. Yes, I love it. And it will be maybe my sixth time that I reread it. Because I like fantasy. I'm like a child. I enjoy this special story that make you dream and think different than the daily problem. Oh my goodness, they're hanging it happen. Yes, all the symbol, all the metaphor of life. You can see. It's so beautiful. That's how they used to dress years ago. Those were like the Three Musketeers. You visit different country, and those are imaginary tales which children all around the world like to read. But today, parents are too busy with their smartphone, with, sorry to say, divorce, separation, and don't ask their kids to enjoy reading. Look at this. Amazing. So, there is a crazy guy called Irony. Come bring you the idea of all those beautiful books. No, I'm not a book reviewer, like I say. I just like to introduce you to what I read. See? I love horses, and those were used to be huge horses. First, Oliver was a giant, and then he was a midget between giant. Incredible story. You can find Gulliver Travel in any library in the world or in a bookstore. Buy it, and it will be a treasure for your kids and for yourself. So, hopefully you like what you see, because I love books. And books are my life. Believe it or not. Yes, Ronnie with his books. Books and books and books and books. Yes, on the left side of the painting, there is books. and more books. My house is all dust because of the books. I make you laugh. I hope so. Life is too short to complain. Hope you find a good book to read today to your kids and to yourself. Aaron.